Edgecam is a leading CAM software used for creating CNC programs for turning, milling, and turn mill centers. It's recognized as the world's top production CAM software due to its versatility and the flexible manufacturing solutions it offers. Almost every industry today relies on CNC machines. To program these machines, you need CAM software, which significantly reduces the time involved in programming. Instead of manual coding, Edgecam allows for faster and more accurate programming with the ability to simulate and verify everything on the computer before sending it to the machine. This is one of the major advantages of using Edgecam. Comparing Edgecam to manual programming is like comparing a film camera to a digital camera. With a film camera, once a photo is taken, if it's not satisfactory, the film is wasted and you must retake the shot. In contrast, a digital camera allows you to take multiple shots at no extra cost. Similarly, CAM software like Edgecam lets you create and test programs through virtual simulations before applying them to the machine. This not only saves time, but also prevents errors, rejections, and ensures that parts are made correctly the first time. Edgecam can program various machines, including vertical and horizontal machining centers, turning machines, vertical turning center, and turn mill centers. It supports 4th and 5th axis, so Edgecam supports 2-axis to 5-axis machines, showcasing its versatility. Our course is designed to cover everything from 2D design to full program simulation. You'll learn about tool selection, feature identification using 3D models, and all necessary machining cycles for turning and milling, such as face milling, profile milling, roughing, finishing, hole operations, and engraving cycle. In turn mill, both radial and axial operations are included, and simultaneous X, Z, and C machining is also covered. Once you complete the course, you'll be proficient in using Edgecam software. With around 50,000 global users, Edgecam opens significant opportunities worldwide. Enhance your skills with Edgecam by registering for our online course at learnu.org.